Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. We are live here at Walzem Park again. I'm Xander behind the camera, and we got Faith inside the home you see in front of me as we get ready for another open house. Today, we will show you guys this very budget-friendly home known as the Marvel. The specs on this home are 4 beds, 2 baths at 1475 square feet. And just like the other 2 homes we have for sale here, this home has a built-in deck in the front and the back as well. Okay, let's see what else Faith could tell us about this home.
Hey, y'all, come in.
Hey Faith, how's it going?
Good. I hope y'all are having a marvelous weekend. I know I am. And what better way to spend your Saturday morning than at an open house? So let's start looking at the Marvel. So before we talk about what you can do with this space, I want to show you something actually really cool. Is you have this space and you have all this space too. So if you want to make this room a dining room or a living space, you can. Or if you want to make this room a dining space or a living space, you can. You can really choose. But for the sake of the video, let's say that this is your living space. So you can do your couches, 2 couches, TV stands, side tables, coffee table, plenty of room in here to do that. Or if you just want 1 couch, you can have 1 couch. But yes, you can have 2 couches. And then here's the kitchen. You have a nice fridge, plenty of space to store all your groceries in there. So many cabinets, so many. And then you have that extra shelf up there to store whatever you want. Or if you're like me and like to decorate, you can put decor up there too. And you have drawers over here. And you have your oven, real nice. And then it also comes with a dishwasher, which is great. And plenty of counter space to prep for your meals. Or if you want to use this space as a dining area with a big table, you can prep your holiday meals in there. There is so much space in here. You could have a really long table. If you have a big family like I do, I know our Thanksgivings are like 50 people. Put a big table in here and you can fit all of your family in here. So let's go look at the primary bedroom. Here's the primary bedroom. Plenty of space in here for a king-size bed. So much natural light. You could really fit probably a king-size bed, dresser, and somewhere to put your TV if you like to watch TV before you go to bed like I do. So yeah, I think that's a good amount of stuff. And then this bathroom is huge. It's so long. Plenty of cabinet space underneath the sink. And so much space if you want to put maybe some shelves here. You can put shelves where y'all are. I mean, there's so much space. Another step-in bathroom. Not bathroom, sorry, bathtub. We're in the bathroom. It's perfect. And you have this really nice sized closet. Plenty of space in here. So now we're going to head to the secondary bedrooms. Now this home is move-in ready, so you have your air hooked up, water hooked up. It's ready for you to go. You could bring a bed and move in today if you wanted to.
And for y'all just joining, we are here at the Marvel. Specs on this home are 4 beds, 2 baths at 1475 square feet.
So here's the first secondary bedroom. Plenty of space in here for a twin size. Maybe a double, I think, and you have a nice little size closet right here. And what I love about the layout about this house is you have your first secondary bedroom, second one, and then the bathroom is right in the middle right here. So you have plenty of space underneath the sink as well. Plenty of space for whoever's occupying these 3 bedrooms. And here is the secondary bedroom. Again, enough space for a twin, double, twin, and maybe a desk and a dresser. And you have your closet right here as well. And now we're gonna go to the 3rd bedroom. And these don't have to be bedrooms. It can be whatever you want. Here is this one. Again, with a closet. Yeah, you could make this your office. I mean, so much natural light. It's right off this potential dining living area, so plenty of space. And over here, what's really cool about these homes, because they are move-in ready, we have, oh, let's get a soap in. You have one of your decks. So you have one back here and one in the front. Plenty of space for, you know, one of those pallet beds or a chair or something to get really cozy out here when the weather's nice. But yeah, see, and you're right next to your neighbor. Here's one of the homes that we're showing today as well. If you come out here before 2 p.m., we'll be here. So yeah, come on out, see our houses, and we'll see y'all then.